Hello everyone, my name is Shikha and I'm from Varanasi and I completed my MBA in 2020. After that I want to switch my career in IT domain, but unfortunately I didn't get any right support or any right opportunity at that time. So in late 2025 I saw one of the posts over the LinkedIn where I got to know about the Evision 45 days program. So I just contact with the concerned person and I enrolled their program and I successfully completed my 45 days internship over there. And during my internship, I learned a lot of things like Windows Administrator, Windows Client, Virtualization, ITI, LCCNA, and many more things. And also I have a hands-on experience in troubleshooting as well. So these are the things which I have learned so far at Evision. And I want to mention one more thing, that their guidance and support helped me a lot to crack my interview. So I'm very happy to share and announce to all of you guys that I got selected at Gosling outsourcing company with the package of 3 LPA, and I'm very happy that I choose the Evision and I enroll there, and their mentor and the Evision whole team and the HR team are very supportive. So if you are looking for a job in IT and want to switch your career, so please just go and enroll there. They are very supportive and you definitely get that opportunity and got the job definitely. So thank you so much to everyone.